Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 990Z electronically. We'll start by outlining who is eligible to use this form and what documents you'll need to have ready. Then, we'll guide you through selecting an IRS-approved e-filing provider and accurately entering your financial data. Finally, we'll cover the crucial steps of reviewing, submitting, and confirming your electronic submission. To file Form 990Z, your organization's gross receipts must typically be less than $200,000, and total assets must be less than $500,000. Before you begin, gather all your financial records, including income statements, balance sheets, and any other relevant supporting documents. Having everything organized beforehand will make the e-filing process much smoother and more efficient. Next, choose an IRS-authorized e-file software or service. Many reputable providers offer user-friendly platforms for Form 990Z. Once selected, you'll enter your organization's employer identification number, name, and address. Carefully input all your financial data, ensuring accuracy. Don't forget to attach any necessary schedules or statements as prompted by the software, such as Schedule A or Schedule B. The final steps are critical for a successful submission. Thoroughly review all the information you've entered into the e-filing system. Double-check for any errors or omissions that could delay processing. Once you're confident everything is correct, electronically sign and submit your Form 990Z. Always save or print the confirmation of your successful filing for your records, as this is your proof of submission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.